Racist.
Yeah. Okay. How would you describe about her?
About her,
Yeah.
my best friend
She's your
since
best-
class 1.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, no, beautiful and smart.
She's smart.
Yes.
So if you would rate from a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate for her
1.
smartness? Smartness 1.
Yeah.
That's smart. Financially struggle.
Right now I won't, but like later maybe I will.
Hey, shit. All right. What are your thoughts about women?
What?
What are your thoughts about women?
Thoughts about women?
They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. They're emotionally stable.
Okay, wait, let me answer.
Are you ready, Yama? State your name, please.
It's Lady One, thank you.
My name is Vidisha Kharkumar.
And my name is Wanda Linda.
Piba Sim.
Eva, same, okay.
Sarah. Eva.
Eva.
My name is Rufina.
Myself, Radhika. Rishita.
Wamiche. My name's Kevin.
Kevin.
Akash.
And my name is Darikar.
My name is Christiana.
It's Tiana.
Yourself in three words. How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I am self-reliable and then self-independent.
Okay.
And should we say like one more word? Describe myself in one more word. Like what would it be?
Confident.
Yeah.
Okay.
Better.
I'll say friendly.
Okay.
Okay, and maybe kind.
Are you sure about that?
And I guess jolly.
Jolly.
Me the friendly.
Mhm.
Shy, yes, of course.
Okay.
Sometimes and yeah, self-independent.
Self-independent.
Yeah.
So, when you talk about self-independence, right? How would you describe that exactly?
I'm like for myself, I can describe myself as a self-independence is that like as of now I'm staying far away with my parents, but what I've been facing every day and all what I'm doing and on where am I going and all that is all it's depend on myself.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
And then I have to maintain it all by myself. And
Do you believe in meant to be? Do you guys believe in meant to be?
yeah,
Do you believe in meant to be?
yeah.
Okay. What about you? Made for you. Okay. What about you?
No, I don't.
You don't, right? What about you?
You think I don't know?
You don't know. You don't know. You believe in meant to
Yeah,
be.
meant to be.
Okay. So if you believe in meant to be, right? One more question. Would you date your friend's ex? Your friend's ex.
No.
No.
Red flag.
Okay. So you're seeing a red flag, right? So what if your destiny is your friend's ex?
Oh, yeah, difficult question. I don't know.
What if your destiny is your friend's ex? What you gonna do in that situation?
I'm not. I don't know.
Okay, so do you guys believe in meant to be? Like match made in heaven kind of stuff?
Yeah.
You do believe? Yes. What about you? You believe? All three of you believe, right? So if you believe in meant to be, do you believe would you date your best friend's ex?
No.
Or your friend's ex or your friend's ex? You're not. So suppose if your meant to be person is your friend's ex, what would be in that situation then?
We would find another one.
You find another one. If like you said match made in heaven, right? If your match made in heaven is your best friend's ex, what you gonna do in that situation? What about you?
I think if that's the situation, then my best friend would have to understand, no? Right?
So your best friend will understand it.
Yeah.
So you're ready. You're down for it. You're
Obviously, if like she doesn't mind, then right.
done. If she minds,
If she minds, then I don't know.
would you like force her like here's my meant to be match made in heaven? How would you mind about it? Yeah?
For me, then I would never.
You never. You
Me too,
never.
yeah.
So do you guys believe in meant to be? Match made in heaven.
Match made.
You do believe meant to be. Okay, what about you?
I feel like I do believe I think so.
Okay, you guys are best friends?
With good friends.
You're good friends. So would you guys date your friend's ex?
No, never.
So what if your destination is your friend's ex? What is your meant to be person is your friend's ex?
Oh, but still no. If they actually had a a relationship between my
Because
friends
what's
and
meant to be, it's it depends on our choice who we choose.
Yes. So it's a choice, right? It's a choice. It's a choice. Okay. So like, if you have a boyfriend, right? Can your boyfriend play the role of a best friend to the same time?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. What about you?
Yes, because I'm dating my best friend.
Oh shit! That's great. That is good. That is good to hear. So if you wanna say something to your ex, what would you say right now?
Thank you so much for all the things that you have, all the lessons.
Okay. What about you?
I'll say thank you so much that you have taught me so much.
Okay.
Like taught me everything. Like if we enter the teenage year, how will it be about the studies also. I guess he was really nice.
What about you? What would you say to your ex?
Thank you for all the memories. Like, yeah.
So if you have a girlfriend, right? Would you allow your girlfriend to have a guy best friend?
no.
No? How about you? No. Why no?
Because you see, they say that we're their boyfriends, right? So
Yes.
we can also be their best friends. Right? It's not just a boyfriend. We're not just one part of it, right?
That's
like
true.
if we are boyfriends, we have to be best friends. Good. We should have that bond with each other. That, we are also friends, we're not just lovers.
Okay. So boyfriend can be best friends too.
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
I feel like because guys, when they're too close with girls, they can have that sex attention that we all have.
That's true.
No one can deny it.
No one can deny it. Yes.
No one can deny it. That's why even she knows when I'm around with someone with another girl, she can't trust me. That's why I try to avoid myself. No, I'm making trust.
That's
So-
true. That's true.
What's meant to be means like we have to earn. She earned the trust. That's why she's meant to be.
So it's our choice. It's your guys' choice. Like,
Yeah.
which you guys want to be connected that much? Like, you're gonna settle
I
down
feel
for
like
each other.
guys
Right?
don't need a girl's best friend. Man.
For real.
They need only one man.
That's it. If they
That's
have the
it.
girlfriend, they can share everything with
Why
the
do
girl.
they need another girl?
But do you know that saying, right? When a guy shares too much with a girl starts to lose interest on it. Do you believe in that?
Sometimes, yeah, that's true, man. Because we I'm sorry if my girl sees this in video, but we guys can't share everything with girls.
That's why.
That's why we have a guy best friend. That's why we have a guy.
So you believe in that? You believe? Okay,
Guy's
that,
best friend knows better than anyone.
that's true.
My nigga.
So do you think so? For a man, is it very hard to handle a woman? It's true? Yeah, it's true. Why do women are very hard to handle?
Because of what they are.
So they are
Like, we have
natural,
to- we have to-
naturally.
Yeah, they
Naturally.
That's why we have to handle your strength.
No. He's got a point.
So is it true like most of the women they tend to leave a man if a man struggles financially?
I don't know about that, but then if they don't love him like unconditionally, right?
So that might be a problem.
Yeah.
What about
If they
you?
don't love, like truly love them, then
You will leave.
yeah, they will leave.
What about you?
I don't care about that.
You will not leave your boyfriend? No. Okay, what about you?
Yeah, me too.
You will
I
never
mean,
leave
like,
the person.
a man would leave a girl if she's not pretty, no? So, it depends.
Face is important.
Yeah,
Face
it
is important.
depends. But, like,
But-
money is also important, no?
Money is important. So you will leave a man for financial if you financially struggle.
Right now, I won't, but, like, later, maybe I would.
Hey, shit. All right.
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
So I've heard this word so many times. Like, do girls like toxic men, or did people end up in a relationship with a gentleman?
I think as much as we try to avoid toxic men, I think there is something attractive about them as well. You know, that bad boy element in them, I think is kind of attractive, but that does not mean that it is healthy for me or, the girls.
Okay. Do you think so? Women tends to date most of the toxic men.
Yeah, I don't know why, but then I don't know, red flags attract them. That's the fact.
That's
yeah,
a fact.
right.
That's a fact. Yes, that's a fact. Believe in meant to be.
I used to,
You used to.
not
But
anymore.
what changed your mind?
I think as life happens, and even when you believe that that person was meant to be and it didn't happen, I think I start to realize that it is something that you create. It's not something that was destined.
Okay. You believe in match made in heaven, like meant to be?
No.
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 So how would you describe it? Just explain us why.
Why? I believe everyone has an opportunity to actually find their person that they're compatible with. It's not about soulmate. Even if you're in a toxic relationship, you shouldn't really stay in that relationship, right? Even if
That's
you're
true.
soulmate or you're
That's
twin
it.
flame.
That's it.
So people believe in twin flames. I don't understand that thing.
So, is it true that if a woman's work, right, she work for herself, but if a man work, he have to feed the whole family?
Well, unfortunately, that is true because of the society that we live in, right? Women were have not experienced too much of freedom back in the days, and a lot of women are also trying to fight generational patterns, right? Where they are trying to fight the freedom or the independence that their moms or their sisters never had.
Yeah.
So I think it is another way to look at that. When we do that, we're working for ourselves. But I've also seen that when a girl really loves somebody, right, we do not mind spending on our man as well.
That's true. That's true. So I came across one of the man just a few minutes ago. He said that love is very important and it should be unconditional to any person you love. Is that true? So it's like a
It
different-
should be unconditional, right?
Yeah.
Well, love in its truest form is unconditional, but if that unconditional love is what is hurting you at the same time, then I think we must also learn to know when to stop and let go. Right.
So how would you know? How would you know that that is toxic? That is not.
Sometimes when you are in that deep shit, right, it's difficult to know that you're in deep shit. That's why we need to surround ourselves with friends and with people who can really identify and notice, yes, the problems and tell us what situation we are in, with love.
I believe that man tends to look for a toxic man a lot. Tends to end up in a relationship with a toxic man a lot than a gentleman.
No, I don't think so. I think it depends. See, from what I've learned is that through relationships, people actually look for relationships that remind them of the person that took care of them. For example, for me, I would look for a person who took care of me the way my mother probably would.
Yeah.
Or same with a woman who's been brought up from a good family and all that. They'd be looking for a person who reminds them of the father as well, who can take care of them and all the things that their dad used to do.
That's true. That's true. So if you would you mind if your girlfriend have a guy best friend?
A guy best friend?
Yeah. If your girl have a guy best friend, would you mind?
No, personally, no. Like
No?
honestly, no.
No, you
Because
never mind.
like I am a guy best friend to some people, bro, and it doesn't really turn out the way you'd want it to, right? So I understand how the dynamic actually works. However, if they did have a guy best friend, be respectful. Even I have to tell them to be respectful, right? Because if I was a guy best friend to someone else, and that girl came to me and told me she had a boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
I'll be like, okay, cool. I guess the boyfriend would like to meet me. We'll keep a distance now.
That's right.
Our relationship changes from that point of time, because I have to be respectful towards him as well, right?
That's true.
So that's another thing.
So nice. So one more question: is it true that if a woman work, right, she work for herself, and if a man's work, he have to provide the whole family?
Nowadays, I'll be honest with you. Nowadays, the economy is changing and all that.
Right.
I personally like a girl who works as well, bro. Because like for me, that's a plus.
That's a
Because
plus,
like
yeah.
I find that kind of my thing right now.
That's
Because
true.
like if the girl's working, I know that in times of emergency, I can rely on her a little bit. Not overall, not throughout the entire time, but at least for a bit. We can just stand for a bit while I search for other work. Right.
Yeah.
So that's what's up.
So if you have a girl, like, if she minds that you have a girl best friend, what would you gonna do in that situation?
Bro, honestly, I gotta tell my girl best friend I gotta be respectful towards my girl, right?
Oh,
That's like I gotta put myself in her position as well.
That's true.
right?
That's true. That's true. So
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's fucking true. That's how it is, dude.
she sees you financially struggling and everything, and she says, let's take a break. Let's take a break for a month or two. Do you believe in that thing?
I bet. Bro, take a break. Do yourself, man. But
So
don't
it's
come
fine.
back, bro. You know
Ah,
what I'm saying?
yes.
Because like,
Please do not come back.
If you can leave right there, and then like, what's the
What about
point,
the
bro?
future? You're gonna leave it again,
Bro,
right?
Again, I don't believe in soulmates. I don't believe in twin flames, right? Whoever's compatible with you, who you can believe can make a family with you, right? At the end of the day, it's about that, bro.
That's what.
You don't. No, I'm talking about guys as well, bro.
That's true. That's
People
true.
will fuck you over eventually, man. It's just how it is, bro.
How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
All of us? Like the as a group or individual? Group and
If you can answer for your friends, then that's good. I would like that. I would like to hear that. So how would you describe him in 3 words? That guy over there.
friendly,
He's friendly, okay? Can you see Yama?
caring, energetic. Yeah, very
Flash on
energetic.
Flash on card.
This is
Yeah. Okay, would you describe me
I'm
about
just
that?
joking.
No,
I'm
it's
just
not.
joking. That's just a joke.
Okay. How would you describe about her?
About her,
Yeah.
my best friend
your
since
best-
class 1.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, no, beautiful and smart.
She's smart.
Yes.
So if you would rate from a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate for her
1.
smartness? Smartness 1.
Yeah.
Just said smart.
It was a sarcasm, guys.
Okay, gotcha.
YouTube channel. Please, just kidding. This.
Okay.
Personal experience is negative.
What?
It's negative.
Guys, it's going on YouTube. Please.
So what do you think about him? What do you think about him? This guy over here, not you.
This guy, he's very annoying. Asks for food. He is very cheap, but very,
The most annoying.
very friendly as well. Our favorite.
Okay. So do you guys believe in match made in heaven, like meant to be, destiny?
No.
No?
Yes.
Okay. How would you describe that?
What? Why?
Destiny. Like, why do you believe in meant to be?
He doesn't believe, right?
I believe that because like.
You said you don't believe, right?
No, I don't believe that because there are too many factors that go into play. Sometimes by chance you decide to take a train and you may or may not meet that person, and I feel like that factor is too small to be that important just to get a soulmate. Like you can meet them here, you can meet them anywhere else.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about you?
What?
So the same? You said no, right?
Same.
Okay.
Same.
So now you said yes, right? You believe in soulmate. Can you explain?
Yeah. Whatever is meant to be, it is meant to be. It will find us. As he said, there are many trails, but eventually, I believe that all the trails lead to that one singular person.
Okay. Okay. If you say that you believe in match made in heaven, right? Like meant to be
Yeah,
destiny.
yeah.
Which you did your best with your friend's ex?
Friends ex.
Bro, our
Your
friends
friends
don't
ex.
even have ex.
What do you mean they have?
Your friends?
No, they have ex.
Okay.
Can you repeat the question?
Would you date your friend's ex?
I would never
So
date
if,
my
if
friend's
your
ex.
destiny and match made in heaven and meant to be, it's your friend's ex. What are you gonna do?
Then I would have already dated them. No,
What?
yeah, no, it would have been like in the past before they met. Like, if it was meant to be, they wouldn't have dated my friends.
So that is a choice, right? It's not match made in heaven.
No, it's the
So
It's-
you think so? Match made in heaven, like meant to be. Do you believe?
our choices lead us to the destiny, but those choices are predetermined.
What do you think?
What? Bro, what are you?
Do I think that's true?
Yeah.
Whether our choices are predetermined?
Yes.
I feel like that's a question
Yes,
for.
choices are predetermined. What about destination?
No. I'm just saying like I'm not sure if choices are predetermined because I feel like that's a entirely big argument altogether. But like I feel like there can be other factors which are out of our control, which can influence our choices in that regard. Not that I completely agree, but I don't completely disagree either.
So if you have a boyfriend, right? If you have a girlfriend, would you let them to have a guy best friend and a girl best friend?
Yeah, sure. I
You
have
like-
a guy best friend, though it's fine.
Oh yeah, because you have a guy. What about you? If you have a girlfriend, would you allow her to have a guy best friend?
I mean, frankly, yeah, because I have a girl best friend, so I don't really care.
Okay.
Our generation.
Do you believe that girls end up in relationship with a toxic man if they look for a gentleman at the same time, though?
I mean, sometimes yeah, because at first the gentleman may the toxic guy may be a gentleman, and then later it turns out to be a toxic guy. Then yeah,
So,
It's very easy to be a gentleman.
But then, if you have a girlfriend, right? Is it a red flag if a girl she's still texting with her ex-boyfriend?
I would, in my opinion, yeah, because I'm the kind of person like once I break up with an ex, I keep them out of my life and for the safety of my future relationships, you know, because I feel like my future partner wouldn't like that. However, that may be different for hers. That would be, yeah, I'll see what happens, right?
You can understand.
Yeah.
What about you?
Depends on how they broke up. If they're on good terms, like I don't know, just friends and they're done, it's okay. Like staying in touch once in a while, like how because once upon a time they were very close, and I understand they might be best friends. They were best friends, not. I don't want them to be good friends now, but they can stay in touch.
Okay.
There should be boundaries and everything. That's all I said.
Okay, okay. If you guys are on a break, right? Never come back for it again. Is that true? If you guys are on a break, you never come back for it again.
Personally, I would say for now, I think it's true. I think it's true because if you guys went on a break, you guys had doubt, and even though it will heal and everything, like the scars remain, and I think the bond weakens eventually.
That boy, hey, you right. Yes, sir. Ooh, you right. You right.
Like most of the women, they tend to move away from men who struggles financially, right?
Will they tend to move away? I mean, if she only sees him as an ATM, then definitely yeah. But if she sees him as more than a person, then I think they'll probably stay because they generally love that person. Because after all, when you marry someone, you say till death do us part. So if you mean it, then you probably stay. However, I do understand why some of them do, but that doesn't mean it's always right. Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Oh, what are your thoughts on men's? Thoughts on men's in this generation?
In this.
Yeah, this generation. That's a generalizing. I know that.
You're generalizing, the entire men,
Oh shit! I am a man. Yeah, I'm standing right here.
You're just
I'm
every single
I'm standing right here. I'm a man too.
Okay,
Okay, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
They're trying their best. It's okay.
Yeah. But to reach the standard, it's a little
So,
difficult.
what are your thoughts about women?
What?
What are your thoughts about women?
Thoughts about women?
They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. They're emotionally stable.
Okay, wait, let me answer. My thoughts about women.
Wow.
Yeah, man, you guys sing.
I think they're more. I don't know. Yeah, I just see them the same as any. No. I think I see them the same as men. They're all humans at the end. I'm really tired of like.
So, no, not only for men.
No, it's okay. The problem lies in this deep rooted patriarchal system where women are forced to expect the men to earn because there's this norm where the men are like, we will earn, we will be the home, and it hurts their ego if the woman earns more than them. So it's not their fault, it's not the woman's fault. That's all I'll say. It's the society, it's how it's built. It's 100% patriarchy, and I don't know how you guys will react to this, but like personally, what I think is it's 100% legit for them to break up on the basis because like if they are expected to find someone who is financially stable, it's not their fault because they will be raising their children and taking care of the house, if we are speaking stereotypically, that is. And most men, if we put it that way, they want beautiful women as well.
Okay,